We were there Tuesday as Gilda's Club announced big acts coming to Laugh Fest and a new community challenge. Proceeds from Laugh Fest have always supported people with cancer and child grief programs through Gilda's Club. But this year, they're putting a special focus on the need to expand their children's grief program. And so today just happens to be National Children's Grief Awareness Day. I'm joined by LeAnn Arkema, the president of Gilda's Club Grand Rapids. Hi, LeAnn. Thank you for joining us.
It's great to be here.
So excited about the lineup for Laugh Fest, just announced on Tuesday. I know you guys are very proud. Let's talk about children's grief. And it's such a different beast from the way that adults deal with death and other tragedy. So we need to highlight this year. Tell us about that.
Yeah, and Gilda's Club has always provided both cancer and grief support.
Okay.
And in 2008, we actually extended our grief program to any grieving child due to any reason and their families. The need in this community is great. Children grieve differently than adults, and they grieve longer. So it's very important that we pay attention to that, and today highlights that need to make sure children get good grief support. At Gilda's Club, we have a program run by licensed professionals. We've built on our core expertise of dealing with children who are grieving a cancer death. And the reality is children need support over an extended period of time.
Can you give us some examples? I know at Gilda's Club you do things that we just don't think about when dealing with grief or high stress times in our life, like maybe a knitting club or something like that. How are you guys working with kids?
Well, kids very much act out their emotions. They don't have words necessarily for that. So we do a lot of arts and crafts. We spend a lot of time helping them learn words and feelings. Really at the core of what we're providing is emotional health care, helping them to understand grief and loss, learn life skills that they can apply to any situation as they grow into adult years, and be able to manage that emotional impact of the death. If it's left unaddressed, research shows children can really struggle throughout their lifetime if that grief experience isn't normalized. And we understand children need a place where they can find their smile back in the midst of all that's happening.
What an important service to provide. Tell us about the High Five campaign.
Yeah, we're so thrilled to be partnering with the Wegge Foundation. They understand the importance of supporting grieving children in our community. $50,000 they are putting on the table for every high five people give to us between now and Laugh Fest, March 7 to 17. They will match it with $5. The goal is to raise $100,000. There's more need for us to meet in this community, and Wegge Foundation is standing there challenging this community to help us raise the funds needed.
So that's easy. My $5 turns into 10, like that.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
LeAnn, thank you. Go ahead.
Yeah, laughfestgr.org if you'd like to help us out. And there's a great lineup this year. We're going to be all smiling and laughing a lot March 7 to 17. A very healthy thing to do.
Oh, I can't wait. Thanks, LeAnn.